Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm giving you a little walkthrough on a 2021 Bennington RX Sport. Beautiful boat, guys. I sold this boat new here at MarineMax in Greenville, always serviced by us. Again, this is a 21 RX Sport. It's powered with the 400 Mercury Verado. Always a freshwater boat right here on Lake Keowee in upstate South Carolina. It does have the ESP package with the 32-inch center tune. Really nice boat, guys, fully optioned out. This is the swingback with the deluxe swingback. So of course it does swing forwards and backwards. Totally tucks away, as you'll see in some of my pictures. And then you got the backrest that lift up. Also has the keeper rail, has a ski pylon, has American flag, has your transom stereo remote. Guys, beautiful, beautiful boat. White Simtex. Has the ocean blue accents, diamond pressed accents throughout. This is the sport upholstery. Guys, taking a look at the helm, you'll see it is the raised helm. We've got the Simrad in the center here. Guys, the engine has 56.4 hours. So low hour boat, upgraded stereo, Rockford Fosgate stereo, digital throttles, power steering, raised helm. Got the nice table here in the center with 4 cup holders. Has the Cladded art, full bimini top, upgraded speakers in the art. Again, guys, RX Sport. It's got the sport upholstery. Beautiful boat, guys. Speakers throughout, cup holders throughout. Boat's in great shape. Lift kept on a covered dock. In the floor storage. What a great boat, guys. Take a look at my pictures for more details. Give me a call on my cell phone, 864-350-0145. This boat is not kept on site. It is kept at the owner's house here on Lake Keowee. For more information, please give us a call. Be happy to discuss the details with you. Thank you for looking and have a great day.